Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the article. Now in Maltese we have the consonants are divided into two. We have the sun consonants, and we have the moon consonants. Now, I'm going to start with the sun consonants. Now, sun consonants because we say in Maltese consonanti shemshin and we say consonanti amrin. Amar is the moon, that's why you know now moon consonants, and shemsh is the sun, that's why sun consonants. For now I'm going to start to talk about the sun consonants. So, these are the sun consonants that we have. I'm going to say them in Maltese. Ch, as you can see, the C, we have a dot on it. Ch, D, N, R, S, T, Sh, Z, Ts. Now, these two, as you can see, one has a dot. The other one doesn't have. So this is a Z and this is a Ts. Now, when the consonants are shemshin, the sun consonants, when they are the sun consonants, when we have these, a word starts with one of these letters. The article is going to be E. E is going to be there always. E and the first letter of the word. For example, this one, we have chavetta. Chavetta is the key. So, the article is going to be E. E is going to be always there. E and the first letter of the word. Ich, chavetta. We have dar. Dar is the house. The house. So, E and the first letter of the word. Id. Id, dar. Nar, it's fire. So, in, nar. We made an E and the N, the first letter of the word. Ras, the head. Ir, ras. Siju, the chair. Siju is a chair. So, E and the first letter is S, so we add S. Is, we make a sing here, is Siju. Tifla, Tifla is the girl. So, it, Tifla. E and T, the first letter of the word. It, Tifla. Shemsh, Shemsh is sun. So, Ish, Shemsh. Zimel, Zimel is a horse. As you can see, the Z has a dot on it. So, is Zimel. This one, it doesn't have the dot on it. It's. So, it's Ts. It's salsa. It's salsa. Sauce. The sauce. So, as I told you, these are the sun consonants, and the sun consonants always take E and the first letter of the word. I'm going to say them again. These Ch, D, N, R, S, T, Sh, Z, Ts. Those are the sun consonants. We have also the moon consonants. Il-consonanti amrin. We say in Maltese consonanti amrin. The moon consonants. And these are the moon consonants that we have. So, B, F, J. As you can see, this one has a dot on it. So that is a J. This one doesn't have a dot on it. And that is a G. So this is a J. This is a G. Ein, we don't pronounce it. We pronounce it in certain words, we don't pronounce it. In other words, for example, if it's at the end of a word or in the middle with an akka after it, we pronounce it as a H. Now if you want to know more about these, I have an ebook. I wrote an ebook. It costs only €2. At the end of this video, in the description, you will find the link from where you can order it. It costs only €2 and I will send it via email. And you have these explained too. The ein, akka, and her. I explained about them too in this ebook. So this is an ein, akka, h, y. This we don't say J, y. This is a y, k, l, m, p, e, v, and w. So these are the moon consonants. And when a word starts with one of these letters, it either takes, as an article, it either takes an L sync or EL sync in front. The article will be or L sync or EL sync when you have one of these letters at the beginning of the word. So here I made some examples. We have bib. Bib is a door. Door. So bib. Farfet. Farfet, it's a butterfly. So farfet. Giacchetta. So as you can see, the G has a dot on it. So it's J. Giacchetta. It's a jacket. So giacchetta. Gverta. Gverta, as you can see, this one doesn't have a dot like this one. So this is a G. So gverta. Gverta. So blanket, the blanket. Asfur, as you can see, these, I'm not pronouncing the ein. It's silent. You start from there. Asfur. So asfur only takes L sync, lasfur, bird. Now here we have ena. En, as you can see, the H, it's not cut like this one here. So this, we don't pronounce it. We start from here, ena. And we say Lena. We say Lena, and even Elena, we say Elena Taddar, Lena. I think we say it's more Lena. L sync, Lena, which means happiness. Il-habel. Now this H, as you can see, it's cut. So we pronounce it H. Il-habel. Rope, the rope. So here we have il-yot. We pronounce it like the English. But this we don't have in our alphabet. Y. We have il-y. Y. This is not a J for us. We say y. So il-yot. It is pronounced the same as English, but it is written like this. Il-kelp, the dog. Kelp is a dog. Il-lapis. Il-lapis, the pencil. Il-mejda. Mejda, table. Il-portiera. The curtain. Now we have il-alzit, the trousers. Il-volpi, the fox. Il-wera, the leaves. So, as I told you, these are the moon consonants, and the moon consonants, they take L sync or EL sync. I'm going to tell you again the moon consonants, so you know how we pronounce them. B, F, J, G, ein, akka, h, y, k, l, m, p, e, v, w. So those are the moon consonants. Now here I wrote these words for you to make the article in front of them. To see if you understood, you can use the notes that I wrote. You can use what I told you in the beginning to see if you manage to make the articles in front of them. Then for now, you just stop the video. So you can write them on a paper and write the article. Then after the slide, you're going to find the answers so you know if you made them right or wrong. Now, hope that you found this video useful. You understand a little bit about our consonants, the consonanti amrin, consonanti shemshin, and hope that you keep learning our beautiful language, which is Maltese.